Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to write vegetable names. 10 vegetable names. Carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot. Corn. C-O-R-N. Corn. Peas. P-E-A-S. Peas. Potato. P-O-T-A-T-O. Potato. Tomato. T-O-M-A-T-O. Tomato. Pumpkin. P-U-M-P-K-I-N. Pumpkin. Brinjal. B-R-I-N-J-A-L. Brinjal. Radish. R-A-D-I-S-H. Radish. Onion. O-N-I-O-N. Onion. Capsicum. C-A-P-S-I-C-U-M. Capsicum. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel for more videos.